What's up? Merry Christmas, everyone. Got some new stuff for Christmas from my wife. So it's always exciting when she buys me side-by-side parts. I finally got a two-piece flip-up windshield. That's going to take place of that old thing to where hopefully one, I can see, and two, I can just flip it up whenever it's hot outside so I don't have to worry about taking it on and off. I'm going to try to put this on today. Alright, finally got it on. Directions were, well, they're crap just like any other directions come. But I had to put a couple of washers down here on the bottom side of this bracket to tilt it forward a little bit because it didn't want to stay flat and I couldn't get it latched all the way on the bottom latch. So I do the same thing over here on this side. Just put a couple washers in there to get it to flatten out because that latch right there wouldn't line up. But once I figured that out, it came together real easy. It's worth every penny though. It's gonna be so much nicer just being able to flip up the windshield versus having to take it off during the summer. Take it easy, guys.